Hey love, so today I will be showing you guys how I make one of my easy lunches, something that's easy to make, something that is very convenient, and you do not need a lot of ingredients to make it. The first thing that you are going to need is some kind of wrap. I usually use like a whole wheat, but all these didn't have any last night, so I just grabbed this sun-dried tomato one. Hopefully it comes out tasting good or as good as the whole wheat one. I also have some chicken, which I've already marinated the Haitian way. If you're Haitian, some AP, some powdered seasoning, some fresh herbs, some lime juice, and some coconut oil. And over here, we have some romaine lettuce, but you guys don't have to use romaine lettuce. You can always use some spinach, some kale, or whatever you feel like using. I already diced some fresh onions, some peppers, and some cheese. And I'm not really like a big cheese person, but I will be mixing some Parmesan and some cheddar cheese. And that's about it, you guys. This is basically all that you are going to need. And now I am going to show you guys how I get this done. Stay tuned. Chicken is looking and smelling delicious, you guys. It smells so good, and it looks like it's almost done. So now I will go ahead and add my onions. I'll make like a little streak in the middle.